What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with your boy Ronz. Now, today y'all seen, well, not today, last time y'all seen me do a review on the single light bulb. Now today we got something different, okay? I know tech reviews are, yeah, but we got something that's different. Got this Merkury smart light bulb. I'm gonna show y'all right quick, okay? Now, it's 75 watts, smart light bulb, smart Wi-Fi LED light bulb, color, works with Google Assistant, I think Alexa, and Google Home. Hey, wait a minute, focus camera, focus, there you go. See, Google Assistant, Alexa, and Microsoft Cortana. Yeah, we don't use that, but for guys that do, guys and girls, this is it. So let's see, simple setup, download app, install light bulb, connect. So we're gonna be installing it in this thing over here. I just bought this from Walmart. Let's see. Yo, we getting some new. Oh snap! Yo, we're getting some new tech for the dorm and stuff pretty soon. Literally tomorrow, actually. Let's go. My desk set up. I got somebody calling me. I gotta cut that out. Alright guys, now we're on the phone. So if you're like me and you have an iPhone, all you have to do is go to the App Store and you want to search for, I already did it, but you want to search for the Merkury app, right? And it's going to be this Genie one, okay? The stuff that you want to download. Now for you Android users, is on Google Play, it will be the same thing, okay? Just download the Genie app. Now for the sake of this, I already installed it, but okay. So what you want to do, you open the app, it's going to prompt you to sign in or register for an account. Really simple. Just sign up for your Google account, or if you want to make one, you can make one, okay? Then I'm gonna go ahead and tap add device. We have two nearby devices detected. One is I just put in the one over there, and this one's already been on, so I'm going ahead and hit add now. Let's just do the first one. And the password is no password. So we'll be back. Alright you guys, as you can see, this device has been added successfully, but we're gonna go ahead and hit done, and now we should be able to control it. But before we do that, let's go ahead and add our second device. Same thing, no password. But while this one is, stirring up and everything, I do have some news to tell y'all. So I have some stuff coming to my dorm pretty soon, probably literally tomorrow, right? New tech. I know I look crazy right now. Don't look at the face. I know I look bad. I'm not shit for a YouTube video, but this is a tech review and I need to do it. Oh my gosh, you see this? Don't look at me, okay? Don't look at me. However, we do have some pretty cool stuff coming pretty soon. So stay tuned. Let's see, I probably have about 4 videos within the next 1 to 2 weeks, so I will stay tuned this all for you guys. But we'll be right back because we're gonna skip this part too, okay? Alright you guys, let's go back and try to do this one more time. Now, what I had to do, I just reset the light bulb. You can do that by turning it off and on 3 times, and then on the 4th time you just leave it on and then it starts flashing. As you can see, it's just stopped, and hopefully everything works now. So, just like that, it's that simple. Now we have both devices on, and we should be able to control them. Let's see. Let's do this. Turn both off. This one, for some reason, is not working. This one is working fine. This one is not working for some reason. Oh, there it goes. It took a second. There we go. They both work perfectly fine. We should be able to dim it now. And then on the other side, we should be able to dim this one. And there we go. Now, quick thing, let's go ahead and hook it up to your Echo device, right? So, same process as the single light bulb. Just go ahead and go to your app. We're going to go to devices, and we are going to search for a skill. So let's go ahead and hit more. Let's go to skills and games. And same process as before, we are going to go to the Genie app. Okay. I'm going to type that in wrong. Genie Light. Let's see, which one is it? Maybe it's under Merkury. There we go. So just type in Merkury and go ahead and enable to use, and it's going to prompt you to sign in. So let's go ahead and do that one right now. Alright you guys, so actually the app is now telling me that I do need to make a password, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that one right quick, and I will be showing you guys how to do that in 1 second. So how you want to do this, right? So let's go back to the Genie app really quickly. We're gonna go to profile, and we are going to go to your little top portion, and we can go to account and security, and what you want to do, you want to hit change password. Okay, it's going to ask us to do a password, and all you have to do is just type it in, you know, check your email, give you the link, and that's all you really got to do. So let's go ahead and go back to here, and we're just going to hit sign in, and it should be able to authorize now. And now let's see, probably have to go to discover devices, and this might take some time. A whole bunch of fast forwarding we gotta do in this video, but y'all, probably just gonna be worth it. Got a lot of editing to do too, so let's get to it. Alright you guys, so now that I found my 2 devices, we're going ahead and hit next. Doesn't really matter. We'll do this later, and that should be ready to use. Go ahead and do the second one. Skip. Now we should be able to turn them both off effectively. So let's go ahead and turn both of them off now. Just like that. Now you should, or you can name them and everything else like that. We'll put them in a group, but for the sake of this video, I know this one's long enough. So that is it, guys. And let's go ahead and go back to the Genie app real quick. Let's go ahead and change the color actually. I'm not really feeling these, you know, typical things. So you see at the bottom we got color, scene, and schedule. This one is red. Let's go ahead and change that one over here to red too. I believe it's this one. Color, red. Now we have a red dorm room. Alexa, turn off dorm lamp. Let's turn this one off. Red dorm now, guys. And you can change the brightness and everything else just like that. Really simple and easy, which I probably should do. Turn both of them down, so make it a little bit darker here. But yeah, I like that. I like that. Oh, you see that thing? I like that. Yeah, y'all, that's it with the video. I know it's been long enough, so peace out.